Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the WinRAR on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to write the WinRAR here. So I'm going to write the WinRAR and then we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, you will get this WinRAR option here. So we have to open this official site of the WinRAR. And after that, as you can see, you will get an option for the download WinRAR. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, now these options are provided here. If you want to download this, simply we just have to click on this download WinRAR, and after clicking on this, the downloading process will be started. So as you can see, now it's downloading. Now within the few seconds it will be downloaded. So as you can see, now the WinRAR downloading process is done. You can check out these steps that how we can install this. This is the step 1, this is the step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5 is done. So in this way you can download the WinRAR for free and you can use it. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download the WinRAR and how you can install it. So see you in the next video.